Welcome back to Product Critique, where we give you the most in-depth reviews on tools and gear. Today, we're talking about the best Irwin tap and die set. The Irwin Tools Hanson Machine Screw Fractional Metric Tap and Hex Die and Drill Bit Deluxe Set. A 117-piece set that covers both metric and standard sizes. Whether you're a professional craftsman, mechanic, or someone who enjoys working on DIY projects, this set is designed to provide everything you need for rethreading fasteners and holes with precision. Let's dive into what makes this set stand out. This deluxe tap and die set is made of high-carbon steel, ensuring durability and long-lasting performance. You'll find 117 of the most commonly needed machine screw plug taps, hex dies, drill bits, and spiral screw extractors, all neatly organized and accessible in a sturdy plastic case. The set also includes an adjustable handle tap wrench, a 2-in-1 tap wrench, and a T-handle wrench, giving you flexibility and ease of use. It's the kind of all-in-one solution that saves you time, effort, and frustration, especially when working on auto or machinery repairs. The taps and dies in this set come in a variety of sizes, both fractional and metric, making it a versatile option for all your threading needs. Whether you're working with fasteners on automotive projects or machinery repairs, this set has the right tools for rethreading damaged bolts or cleaning out rusted threads. The hex dies and drill bits are designed with a precise 118-degree cutting angle, providing clean and accurate threads every time. This Irwin set isn't just built to last, it's also designed to make your work easier. The taps are excellent for cutting new threads, while the dies are perfect for cleaning and rethreading existing ones. The spiral screw extractors are a lifesaver for removing stubborn or damaged screws, a feature that sets this set apart from others in its class. Having a well-rounded set like this at your disposal means you can tackle almost any threading task. From simple repairs to more complex projects, without the need for multiple toolkits. Another standout feature is the quality of the materials. The high-carbon steel used in this set ensures strength, toughness, and resistance to wear. Whether you're working with steel, aluminum, or other materials, you can count on these tools to hold up under pressure. The hex shank drill bits fit easily into power drills, giving you the convenience of fast and efficient drilling without compromising on performance. Overall, the Irwin Tools Hanson Machine Screw Fractional Metric Tap and Hex Die and Drill Bit Deluxe Set is a fantastic choice for professionals and DIYers alike. It brings together all the essential tools for rethreading and fastener repair in one comprehensive kit. The durability, variety, and practicality make this set one of the best investments you can make if you're serious about threading and fastener maintenance. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a review on the best tools and gear on the market. This is Product Critique, and we'll see you in the next video.